Today we're taking a closer look at the Superchips Flashpaq F5 Tuner for the 1999 to 2006 5.3 liter Silverado 1500. This is going to be a great option for Silverado owners who want to boost horsepower, improve that throttle response, and fine-tune their truck's performance without the need to visit a shop or do any modifications. The standout feature of this Flashpaq F5 is the powerful set of preloaded tunes designed to give your 5.3 liter better performance across the board. Whether you're looking for low-end torque for towing, crisper throttle response, or improved fuel economy, this tuner delivers solid gains with just a few presses of the button. The performance and the tow tunes are specifically used for drivers who use their trucks for hauling trailers or gear around, and they want smoother shifting and more power on demand. The F5 also offers high definition, full color screen with an easy to navigate interface. You can quickly select the desired tune, adjust the settings, and view diagnostics without needing a laptop or any tech skills. Beyond tuning, it can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, which saves you a trip to the mechanic and needing to have a separate OBD2 port scanner. Another nice feature is its advanced customization features. You can recalibrate your speedometer for larger tires and gear changes. You can adjust those shift points and the firmness of those shifts, raise and lower the rev and speed limiters, and even adjust active fuel management so that you're running on 8 cylinders at all times. That level of control gives you the ability to dial your truck exactly how you want it to perform, whether it's your daily driver, it's meant for hauling, or just some off-road use. The Superchips Flashpaq F5 is built into a nice compact handheld device with this rubberized case around the edges, and it feels solid and durable. The full color display is bright and responsive, and the included OBD2 port cable makes for a quick plug-and-play connection to your Silverado's diagnostics port. All the tuning takes place right through the handheld unit, so no permanent modifications or wiring into the car is necessary. And the unit also includes a USB cable for updates via the computer to ensure that it stays compatible for future upgrades or new calibrations. As far as pricing goes on this unit, it's coming in right around that mid $400 price range. That's a solid deal when you consider the horsepower gains, towing enhancements, and the ability to completely customize your truck's performance all in one convenient handheld tuner. Installation on this is super simple, so it's getting rated an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed and tuned in just 15 minutes of your time. Just plug it into your truck's OBD2 port, follow the on-screen prompts, and load the tune that you choose. Now, let's check out exactly how that goes with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
Today we'll be doing an install on a 2001 Chevy Silverado 1500, and this is our Superchips Flashpaq F5 Tuner. When you get it, this is what it comes with. It also comes with a USB connection. First thing you want to do is take this out of your package, connect it with this. You'll actually connect it right here in the bottom. Once you plug it up to your computer, check to make sure that it is fully updated. Once you do that, we'll walk over here to this side of the truck. What you do is you take this, you actually connect it with your OBD2 connection port right down here. You plug that up. Once you do, you'll see that power then comes to the device. What we're going to be doing today right now is we're going to be putting a new tune in it. So this is a pre-programmed tune. And you'll see right now what the first thing to do is when you put the key on, you do not start the vehicle, you turn to the on position. Obviously we've done that. We hit OK from there. So now this is actually going to go through your vehicle's current settings. So we have to wait while this does. Nice, I'll see it. Please wait. It's checking all the vehicle settings. Okay, so what we're looking to do today is we're going to look to change to a little bit better, hopefully, performance out of the vehicle and changing to the 87 octane pre-programmed tune. So this just tells you a little bit more about it. We hit confirm. Yes, and the reason we want to jump in here is I'm not going to be changing too much in here except for the tire size. We did put some bigger tires on this truck. And go in here, we've got, it's a 30, actually the 305 70/17s, which is a 33.8, so that's the closest one. We're going to hit that. That's good. As we go down, we hit continue. We're gonna, again, wait. As you can tell now, it is building the tune. All right, we're gonna install the new tune. So now obviously it's establishing the communication with the vehicle. All right, so now it's gonna be installing the tune. This usually doesn't take too long. Now it's resetting the vehicle. So we continue to wait. Now it's clearing any of our DTC codes. All right, so now once we're done, we go over here, we turn the vehicle off. We hit OK. And we wait as it finishes. Awesome, so now we have an 87 octane tune in this 01 Silverado. We hit continue. Just to show you real quick, you can also run it here. We can do scans on the vehicle. So we can read if we have any error codes or anything, we can go in here, we can read those, gauges, battery voltage. Go back to tune, and that's it. So that is how you install a Superchips Flashpaq F5 Tuner. Thank you.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Superchips Flashpaq F5 Tuner for the 1999 to 2006 5.3 liter Silverado 1500. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at American Trucks.